For use with 5/16, 8 mm inside diameter fuel line. Easy to replace older fuel filters. Replacement fuel filter cartridge removes damaging or performance-robbing fuel-borne contaminants. Don't let water, moisture or other fuel contaminants rob horsepower from your engine. Filters performance-robbing particles before they can get to your engine. Inline fuel filter 816296Q2 is for use with 5/16, 8 mm inside diameter fuel lines. Don't let water, moisture or other fuel contaminants rob horsepower from your engine. Filter those particles before they can get to your engine. See your engine owner's manual for installation instruction. The Quicksilver brand is the leader in delivering uncompromising engine oils, parts and accessories to the marine industry for over 65 years. Quicksilver is the premier supplier of Mercury marine original equipment replacement engine parts, oils and accessories, but also works to serve all original equipment brands in the marine and powersports industries. It has earned a loyal following by providing the highest quality products that are tested through some of the most rigorous environments and testing procedures. No aftermarket company comes close to the level of research and design as Quicksilver. Buying Quicksilver is buying performance, protection and peace of mind. Top reviews from the United States. Avoid those pesky micro-cretins trying to destroy your engine. The Mercury 9.9 horsepower 4-stroke that came with my boat did not have a filter in the fuel line. Modifying the intake line and adding this filter ensures no cretins get to the carburetor.